Dear students, today we will talk about viruses and we will also try to understand that why antibiotics do not work against viruses. Here you can see the structure of virus. Here outside there is a coat which is called viral coat. It is made up of protein. We can also call it protein coat. Inside this viral coat is present genetic material of virus. This genetic material can be DNA or it can be RNA also. Now this is host cell and you can see cell membrane of host cell and then there is nucleus inside. Inside nucleus there is genetic material of host cell. How the virus attacks the host cell, and is this relationship random or is it specific? Viruses attack only a specific type of host cell. That means viruses will not go attach on any type of cell at random and attack them. No, viruses will attack only a specific type of cell. For example, coronavirus, they will attack only lung cell. So once the virus comes in contact with the host cell, there is interaction between them and there is a process of recognition between virus and the host cell. After that, virus releases its genetic material in the cytoplasm of host cell. What happens after that? The genetic material then incorporates, the genetic material of virus incorporates with the genetic material of the host cell. And when the genetic material of host cell, it will replicate along with the genetic material of host cell, viral genetic material will also replicate. So the virus is not spending any energy or anything to do replication. They are using the resources of the host cell to multiply their number. So here they don't have any biochemical pathway of their own. If we remember in the previous video, we talked about that bacteria, they have cell wall and this cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan and this cell wall is synthesized by bacteria themselves. So that is a pathway that belongs to bacteria. But here you can see that viruses, they don't have any pathway of their own. They will use the pathway of the host cell, like it is the pathway of the host cell to replicate its DNA. So virus will become part of the host cell DNA and multiply along with that. It's like hijacking the host cell. So they are not spending any energy, any resources of their own, viruses, and they are using everything of the host cell. So if we try to create a medicine that will destroy the virus, we will actually end up destroying the host cell, because viruses' pathway are not their own. They are using the pathways of the host cell. That's why the antibiotics, they do not work against viruses. Now there is another question, that why we take antibiotics when we have viral infection. Actually, the antibiotics are not for viruses. The antibiotics are for bacterial infection. Sometimes when we have viral infection, along with that we can have bacterial infection also, because our immune system is weak at that time. So the medicines you are taking, the antibiotics that you are taking, are for bacteria, they are not for viruses. So in this topic we have understood that why viruses, their behavior is strange than all other infectious agents. Thank you.